Hi everyone, today I'm sharing a recipe for tortilla rolls with egg paste and avocado. As always, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you can stay up to date with my recipes. Here's a list of the ingredients you'll need. You can also find the same list in the description below the video, along with a link to my blog where you can find all of my recipes. First, in a bowl, mash one whole avocado with a fork and add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Then add 6 hard-boiled eggs, peeled and mashed with a fork. Next, add 4 small diced pickles, half of a small red onion, and 3 tablespoons of freshly chopped chives. Finally, add a tablespoon of mayonnaise. I'm using light Culinary mayonnaise, and season with salt and pepper. Mix everything together thoroughly. Three tortillas. The paste can also be divided into 3 more or less equal parts. Now spread it on the tortilla, then roll it all up. The tortilla can be cooled in the fridge, but it can also be served immediately after preparation. Cut the tortilla into smaller rolls and it's ready. See how cool they look, they taste very good, so prepare it. Remember to click the bell and have a nice day. Best regards.